Okay, so my ear tips on my AirPods Pro has got way dirty. I use the large ear tips. As you can see, they are really terrible, ugly. And instead of cleaning them, I thought of buying new ones directly from Apple. As you can see here, ear tips 4-pack large. I use large for my ears. You can control in the app which size that fits your ears best, but for me it's large. So I thought of that I should show you how easy it is to change these ear tips from your AirPods Pro. And by the way, these are only 94 Swedish crowns directly from Apple with free shipping. I ordered them yesterday and I got them today, so it's very fast. And that is about $10 I think, but 94 Swedish crowns. So I think that's worth the money actually, instead of have to clean these and have them nice enough. So how to change the ear tips? Well, it's very easy. You grab this one. This is the right one. I just grab this tip, as you can see here. Just grab it like this and they are removed. It's very easy, as you can see. Very easy. I love that. And how to put a new one on then? Well, as I said, very easy. As you can see here, 4 ear tips in large size. I remove the right one, so I take the right one off. As easy as just holding it like that. And then I hold this AirPods Pro in my hand. And as you can see, it's oval and this is oval. So just fit that to each other. As you can see, the oval here and the oval there. So, like so. You hear a small click and now it's on the AirPods Pro. Very easy. And we do the same with the left one. Just remove it by just holding it like this. As you can see, very easy to remove. And now we take the left new one and you should fit the oval to the oval of the ear tip. Like so. You hear the click. Now it's on. So now you have changed the ear tips on the AirPods Pro. It's so easy to do and it's quite cheap to do, I think. 94 Swedish crowns, $10 with free shipping from Apple. I mean, why had to clean them and all that? Just buy a new one. Okay.